Assalamu alaikum lovelies. Welcome again to my channel. I'm Abiola Balikis. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix an invisible zipper to a cloth using your regular presser foot. To all returning viewers, I say thank you so much. And if this is your first time here, kindly click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Because I want you to see what I will be doing clearly, I will be using a zipper color different from the color of the cloth. So the first thing we'll be doing is to unfold the coiled teeth of the invisible zipper with our iron. So you just carefully unfold. One thing you will notice about all invisible zippers is that they have a coiled teeth. So once you unfold, this is what you will have. You can see it is now laid flat. Now we are going to lay the positive side of the zipper on the positive side of the cloth with the teeth facing away from the edge. After that, you carefully stitch on your machine, making sure that your stitches are directly beside the zipper teeth. So you have to be careful here, not to allow the stitches to enter the teeth, because once it does, you won't be able to zip up or zip down your clothes. But you should also have in mind that if there is a gap between the stitches and the teeth, you won't have a total closure later on. Once you get close to the zipper slider, it will be difficult for you to continue sewing. So what you can just do here is to raise your needle a little, then zip up the zipper and you continue sewing. But now, make sure that the presser foot is directly on top of the teeth. Then you carefully sew directly beside it. Once you are done with this part, this is what we are going to have. So now we are just going to repeat the same thing for the other side. We open up the zipper, then place its positive side on the positive side of the cloth and you pin down with your pins. Once you are done with that, you now stitch down on your machine. Don't forget what we did to the other side. You make sure you don't let the stitches enter the teeth, and also you don't leave gaps between the stitches and the teeth. You sew directly beside it, and you can see the way I'm doing it. So once you almost get to the zipper slider, you stop stitching, but you make sure you back stitch before you remove your needle. You can see how close my stitches are to the teeth. And this is what we presently have. So the last thing we are going to do is just to close up the bottom of the cloth. So you are going to bring the cloth together, the positive side facing each other, and we are going to stitch. The length of stitch you give it here will be determined by how wide you want to be able to open your cloth when you unzip later on. And this is what we are going to have afterwards. Easy, right? Let me know in the comment section if you find this useful. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.